Come on, boy. I am making Bud Tik Tik. The ingredient of this is corn flour, coconut milk, coconut meat, sugar, and eggs. Stir it well until it's blended well. No more lumps. I keep stirring them. I don't really measure it. I just add the corn flour as needed until I get to the correct consistency. This is just preliminary. It's not the right one. It's too soft. It's too much liquid. So I need to add some more. So this is kind of like an old-fashioned cooking. No need a measurement, just eyeballing it. Make it simple. I'm cooking this to save it, put in the freezer after. I didn't mean to cook this to consume it right away, so that's why I'm making a lot of it. I don't need to measure. So I just add more corn flour. So as you can see here, it's drier. This is almost enough, but I need to stir it more completely to know if it's enough or not. So this is enough consistency now. See, it's not sticking. I need to change to the ladle from the wire mixer. So this is enough, as you can see. See, it's not sticking, so this is enough to touch. So this is, you can tell that is the right amount of cornmeal, and it is ready. You can see closely. See, it's clean. Nothing sticking to it. This recipe using only a corn flour. You can use white or yellow, coconut milk, fresh coconut grated meat, and you can add milk if you want to, and sugar. I added eggs because I want to have vitamin D on it, so that's the only reason. So I'm cooking this as healthy consumption. So that is my recipe for today. Here is the banana leaves. This is fresh. I washed and dried. Well, it's not completely, so I will warm this up on the stove. If you don't warm it, it will tear it apart easily. As you warm it, it will change the color to shiny. And make it easy to roll and fold. Just be careful you don't get your finger into the fire, because that's not going to be funny. See, when you look at on the other side, you can see how the texture changes. That means it's ready, so I will do it in the wrong side. So you see how the color changes. That's it. So here's the banana leaves. I am ready to wrap this. Just a little bit, enough to see it's not sticking into my hands. Wanna add a little more? Unfold this. There you go. You need to be careful because the leaves is still gonna tear it if you hold it strongly. That's it. So I finished roll of my dough. I'm ready to steam this for about 30 minutes. And this is my steamer. I need to wait when the water boiled rapidly before I put the other part of the steamer to start steaming my my Bud Tik Tik. You probably cannot pronounce that, but I will write that in the description. This is authentic Bud Tik Tik. So now the water is boiling rapidly. Now I can put the Bud to start steaming. I will cover it. And steam it for 30 minutes and it will be done. It has been steaming for 30 minutes and this is done now. I will turn it off. This is too hot. I will cool it down just a little bit. I pick up a couple. Here it is. This is a Bud Tik Tik made of corn flour, coconut milk, grated coconut, and eggs. This is not just a snack. This is a real meal. So you should try it. Let's see if you like it. Try to make it. It's very simple. Let me try it. It's hot. It's just enough. I can taste the coconut meat. The sugar is just enough. I don't like too sweet. So when you make it, it's up to your taste if you want a lot of sugar or just a little bit. Thank you for watching. I see you in my next uploads.